Alright, what is up, guys and gals? I'm gonna be showing y'all how to sound like a little Lotus from the song Body Bag. Okay, so let's go ahead and just show you how the vocals sound dry. Don't put a lot of auto-tune. I did because for some reason, I don't know why, but don't put a lot of auto-tune. But here's how I sound. Pull up to your house, now I'm tongue-tied. Said that you don't love me, now what's up with that? Told me I was better in a body bag. And my verse. Oops.
All my life, all I do is I try and I fall. I just wish it was from somewhere high.
Okay, so that's how I sound. So let's go ahead and just go into the effects first off. First thing I do is cutting effects, cutting EQs. That's how it looks. It's probably too much, but hey, whatever. And now here is our second cut. Then we throw a compressor. Here are the settings. And we throw an EQ preset, like always, just vocal presence. It works. And then I throw a sound godizer on there, a sound godizer. And I throw a limiter. Just cut the ceiling down a little bit. And then I think there's a delay. I put a delay on and I mix it down halfway. Here's the settings for delay. It's pretty easy. Now this is how it sounds with all these effects on. Pull up to your house, now I'm tongue-tied. Said that you don't love me, now what's up with that? Told me I was better in a body bag. And then this is how it sounds with the reverb on. That's my reverb settings. Pull up to your house, now I'm tongue-tied. Said that you don't love me, now what's up with that? Told me I was better in a body bag. Okay, and then here's how my verse sounds. Okay, now here is the verse effects. It's pretty much the same thing. And yeah, so for the verse effects, it is the same thing for what I did for vocals. So yeah, just make that. But only difference is
All I do is I try and I fall. I just
okay, so for the verse, the effects are pretty much the same, but all you gotta do is just talk like monotone. And then crank auto-tune up all the way and then just talk monotone. And sing, I guess. And then yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. So this is how it sounds with all the effects on. Give me a second.
all my life, all I do is I try and I fall. I just wish it was from somewhere high.
But I'll stay inside if you want me to. And guess what, guys? It sounds even better when you turn on the instrumental. Pull up to your house, now I'm tongue-tied. Said that you don't love me, now what's up with that? Told me I was better in a body bag. Gave me all your heart and now you need it back. Pull up to your house, now I'm tongue-tied. Said that you don't love me, now what's up with that? Told me I was better in a body bag. Gave me all your heart and now you need it back.
All I do is I try and I fall. I just wish it was from somewhere high.
But I'll stay inside if you want me to. Yeah, I'll stay inside if you want me to. Oh yeah, here's the auto-tune effects. Oh yeah, here's the auto-tune key and retune speed.